Welcome back everybody, new project today. I am building some storage shelves with the leftover materials from my basement finishing project. I've already built one, so let's take a look at it really quick and then I'll show you the steps that I took to actually build it. So walking in here to my storage area, you can see the shelf. I built it 90 inches tall. I have 9-foot ceilings down here, so it allows me for fairly large, fairly tall shelves. You could build this to suit whatever size ceilings that you have in your own basement. I've got, my wife has a lot of Christmas decorations. Basically this entire shelf here is all Christmas stuff, and so I needed to build it fairly large. This actually turned out really well. This was basically some of the materials that I just had left over. And so since I'm now done framing in the basement, was able to just use what I had left over to build this. If you guys have a lot of things that you'd like to get stored at your house and you just have boxes randomly piled on top of other boxes, you should probably do yourself a favor and build some shelves like this. I did the pricing on the materials. So 7 2x4s at today's rate, they're about $5 each at Lowe's, which is outrageous, but the COVID problem has caused everybody to do renovations at their house, which is probably why you're watching this. So anyway, that's driven the prices up for lumber. You can buy yourself one sheet of OSB, which I have, and cut it into pieces, which I have, and that one sheet of OSB I think was about $14. So $14 sheet of OSB, 7 2x4s at 5 a piece, so let's just round up, call it about 50 bucks, and you're in pretty good shape. So, or you could buy shelves at Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever it is, you know, for about the same size for over 100. So if you've got some tools around the house, and now you don't have to use I'm using air tools because I have an air gun and all that stuff, but you could build this with a hammer and nails or screws or whatever it is that you want to use. Save yourself some money, add some storage to your house. Let's get started. Alright, let me show you my redneck drawing skills here. So this is the shelf that I have built. It's 48 inches wide, 90 inches tall. I'm using 4 2x4s for the verticals. Then I'm using 2x4s underneath. And then I'm also doing some bracing along the sides as well. So I'm cutting 90 inches and then 48 inches, and then I got a couple other ones that I'll be cutting as we go. So let's get all this wood cut up and then we'll start to assemble this thing. Alright, now we got all our pieces cut up. I got our OSB sheets cut 4 feet by 2 feet. We've got these 2x4s that are going to be vertical. Those are going to be 90 inches. We got 6 pieces of 2x4 cut at 48. Sorry, 8 pieces. And then 6 pieces cut at 17 to go in between. I'm going to set the camera up. We'll bolt it all together, stand it up, and we'll be done. And 60, and then up top. All right, that's number one. All right, build our second wall. All right, that's the second piece of the shelf built. This is going to be the back side. I put a couple of those in the back in order to give a little bit of stability laterally. Stand that up. Then we'll assemble the whole thing. Alright, now you can see it's kind of put together now. I have these last few pieces, these ones. They're going to go along in between here. As I put the nails in, they pop down. Right? You don't want that nail going into your finger while you're reaching for your Christmas decorations. So we're going to hit it with the hammer, get them all knocked out so that they're bent back. Alright, now I got all the nails bent back. That way I don't scratch your fingers. Well, alright, everything's assembled now. Now you get to watch me do my best to move this thing by myself over into the storage area. So here we go. That is going down there and to the left. Let's go! Made it. Here we go. Just enough room to get by. Woo! There you are, two side by side. All right, I'm all finished. Let's show you the finished product. I'm really well pleased with it, so let's go see it. Here we go. 3 new massive storage shelves. I'll put before and after pictures up so you can see what it looked like. Much more organized, much more floor space too, not just a big pile of stuff. That's the end of the project. Hopefully you guys found some value in this. Like, comment, subscribe, follow along. Try this stuff at home. You could do it yourself. See you next time.